know it's not really Friday in my real life, but in YouTube life, it is now Friday. And I am super excited to be sharing my favorite gels for 2019 in my week of favorites this week. So, super excited. Like I told you in my last video, if you guys have not watched the rest of my videos, that's real rude. That's really rude. So, you gonna get to the gels video, and you ain't gonna know what shampoo to put on your hair, what conditioners, what leave-ins, or what creams, sis? You don't know none of that. But you want to come straight to the gel. That's your problem. That's why your Wash and Go ain't coming out right anyway. Go watch some other videos. Go ahead. I'll wait on you. I ain't got no more wine, but I'll wait on you. If you don't have your wash day routine and your moisture routine down packed, don't style your hair, sis. Leave your hair just dusty and crusty because you need to start over, rewash. Washing your hair is very important though, you guys. So do not skip all of those steps. Do not skip good products when you are shampooing, conditioning. Don't skip that because that will help and that will cause a reaction. Like if your hair is super dry when you add these stylers into your hair, they're not gonna be the same. They're not gonna treat your hair the same. They're probably gonna be trash because you applied it to trash. You can't just apply some shit to trash and expect it to be gold. It ain't gonna happen. Ain't gonna happen. Alright? So, I just wanted to put out that disclaimer before we got started. But we're about to get started. So, first product. I haven't even used this in so long. I feel like my first wash and go is going to be with this because I love this stuff so much. This is the main choice. Tropical Moringa. Tropical Moringa. This smells so good. I just have to open it every time. You guys have already seen me talk about it. You guys have already seen combos with this. This right here is a nice clumping gel. So if you're having issues with getting that nice clump, thick curl, you feel like your curls are just too tiny, too spirally, and you want them curls to be nice and thick, I would apply a generous amount of this product, rake it through with your fingers, do it like a finger raking like this, and just like that last time you finger rake, just go down pretty thick like that and let it drop and let those curls just swivel right up. I'm telling you, this stuff right here will hold those, they will be so clumped that once you start to dry your hair, you're gonna have to peel your curls apart because it's so clumped. And I love that. Sometimes it gives my hair just a different wash and go feel. And that is what you're looking for. I know so many of you look at these videos and these gel videos and be like, all the gels are just pretty much the same. Girl, they not the same. You get different results from different stuff. I'm telling you. You have to try a lot of stuff to realize that. But I know us as influencers, we do try a lot of stuff so that we can give you these videos, especially when they sponsor. I really wish somebody would have goddamn sponsored these videos, but it's okay. It's okay. We're not going to talk about it, sis. I'm going to just go ahead and roll with the beautiful bean footage, you know? But I really like this. I really like this one. You guys already know I do, so I'm going to stop talking about it. I feel like I talk about gels a lot on my channel because they're so important to me. So I feel like a lot of these are not going to be a surprise to you guys, but I did want to go ahead and put it out there what my favorites for this year is. And Style Factor Edge Booster is clearly a favorite of mine. Like, I know so many people just did videos on this product for the hype, but I don't hype. I don't like to hype shit up because I don't get paid to hype. They don't pay me enough hype, sis. They don't. They really don't. But this Style Factor right here is really good. I do like it for my wash and goes, but it has to be in conjunction with a custard. Like I have my combos, the combos that I do, that's what I like to use those products with. So if you use these products with anything else other than what I told you to use it with, sister, don't be coming at me talking about it ain't work, with. Goddamn, you said it worked with. It worked what I said it worked with, but goddamn, goddamn. Just saying, I really do like that gel. That gel is so good. I do it in the shower and I use the curling custard with that. First of all, that wash and go ends in like 5 minutes. Like I don't have to put smaller sections. It's just like everything gets where it needs to go super quick. So I absolutely love that combo. But speaking of the main choice, which we weren't just speaking of the main choice, but before that we were, this gel right here is my all-time favorite. I feel like I gotta get back to it. This is the main choice Ancient Egyptian. Still a favorite. Still gonna talk about it. Still love it. Still a rider. You can't help but love this shit. Like if you use these, like the Tropical Moringa or use this one. These two are my favorite from these are my two favorite lines from the Main Choice period anyway, but this one here is really good. It leaves a nice shine to your hair. Now, it doesn't clump your curls as much as the Moringa. The Moringa is a glaze. Remember that. This is meant for twist outs and braid outs, but I love it for my wash and go. This is meant for wash and goes. It has the slip, so it has more slip than this one. So if you don't like that the Moringa does not have slip, try to use the ancient Egyptian one because it is a nice lighter weight. Now, it is still thicker, but it smells amazing. You guys see that? You see, it is thicker. It's not coming out right there, but you could tell it is running down. So it's just a little bit slower. It still is thick and nice and creamy, but it's not as tacky as the Moringa. Now, this is the second tub of extreme gel that I'm going through. Actually, my clear one is almost out, and you guys know I had a blue one and a clear one. Those two are actually almost out, and I have a brand new one that I have used, I think, about 2 times. So I love this. You guys already know. I'm not gonna go into the Wetline Extreme Holy Grail spill. This is a great gel. If you guys haven't tried it, try it. It's really cheap. Okay, there's that. And the last gel that I want to talk about is the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. This is still Bay. I know I got the big one. I absolutely love it. And I love the cannabis oil one as well. Those two are my favorite Eco Styler gels. I don't even have the other one because I have so many gels, and I told myself I'm just not going to buy anything new right now. So I haven't done that, but I do absolutely love this gel. It's still a favorite. As you can see, even though it's a big tub, I am halfway, well, almost halfway done with it. So I love this gel, along with a lot of these other gels. And I have been pairing gels to each other too, because some of these gels are more moisturizing. So this one's more moisturizing, so this can be tied together with another. I feel like this gel along with the Style Factor would be a really good one. But y'all know me, I go crazy with the gels and the custards and stuff. I love to double up on those things for my hair because I feel like it just sets it really good. Like I said, I don't have a distinctive curl pattern. Like, my curls aren't just like, hey, let me just dip my ass in the water and get back out and no. I know I make it look easy when I do my wash and goes, but they're so not. Like, I'm literally studying what my curls do, how they're reacting when I put different products in. Like, you guys don't see the full 360, and I know you guys will be like, oh my god, your hair is always cute. It's because, honey, first of all, I'm not going to be around here looking ugly for nobody. I like to look cute. Like that, for myself, I like to look cute. So if I'm up here doing my hair and I can see I'm doing my hair, you think I'm finna fuck that up? Girl, go away. You all know I'm not finna sit here and mess up my hair. I know what I'm doing. I be studying stuff. So I just went on the spill for no reason. I'm like, wait, how did I get there? I don't even know. But I do absolutely love these gels. These are my top 5. I did not want to put any other gels in this video. I only want to give you like my top that I feel like you should go out and get. And I gave you black on, white on, affordable, expensive. I gave you all of that. So hopefully you guys got something out of this series. If you guys have not watched the rest of this week, what have you been doing? I have had a video every day this week. I've had one Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and now today. So please support your girl. I know I've been out from YouTube for a long time, but I am back, okay? I'm not gonna leave you no more, but I told y'all what was happening, and then, you know, I was trying to spend time with my boyfriend, and things happened, and I'm just a happy person right now. Just know I'm very happy. And when you get very happy, you just start being like, I don't feel like working today. I don't feel like doing that. I don't feel like I just want to be in my happiness, and I don't want nobody to let me down, or you know what I'm talking about. But I'm back now. I feel like my happiness. I got to the point where I was like, I'm super happy, but like, I don't want nobody to take this joy away from me, or I don't want it to leave me, or I don't want it to change, or I don't want to, deflect from my happiness. And I don't know. Anyway, girl, I'm happy, but I am happy that you guys tune in every day this week. You guys have reached to Friday, and you have stuck it out with me, and you've commented on every single video this week. I'm going to be looking because I have a ton of giveaway boxes for you guys And I'm super excited because I want to get all of you guys information. I want to ship them out all on the same day. So that's going to be a little work for me. But I do want to say thank you for sticking in there with me. I know it's been a journey staying in here with my crazy ass because I change, you know, I change. And I like to explore different things. But a lot of you guys have stuck it in with me. And I absolutely adore you guys and love you guys. So hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. But also comment below if you've watched every video. And I'm going to check. When you let me know below that you've watched every video, I'm going to go to all the other videos. I'm going to choose some people. Actually, probably like 6-7 people going to actually win a giveaway full of goodies. Hair goodies, clearly. So, I'm going to ship out some boxes to you guys. But make sure you put it in the comment section below. Yeah, the comment section below if you have watched every video. And if you have and you've commented on every video, I'm going to give away something for you guys. So, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Keep talking